Morning, guys.
Yeah, how much you do want promotion for Soul Cry? I say you can give me 40,000 dollars, I say that's no problem. I carry the 40,000 I come give me. But post, repost,
yeah, nation. When I news.
but post over IG, but post over TikTok, I send people go like and subscribe to your Vivo. Right?
Run the food.
What I'm supposed to mean? You ask me how much you do want promotion for Soul Cry. I say you can give me 40,000 dollars, I say that's no problem. You carry the 40,000 I come give me. But post, repost, all about. But post over IG, I post over TikTok, I send people go like and subscribe to your Vivo. Right? What I'm supposed to mean? Your money not done. Me I ask you because me come here done. Your money finish. You call me and you make me know so you want a video shoot. What else you did do? Listen to me as a baby. You call me and say you want me to release the hype. You want me in a video shoot, cups up. Right, listen baby, normal pre, listen. Remember, some promote Soul Cry for you in a normal pre. Promote Soul Cry for you, she pay me. I say, can't be my father told you, say yes. Promotion for song and them something the way you want boots, the song and them something. You have to pay money, it takes time. Understand? My mute came. It takes time. Right? It takes time. Like and subscribe. You see, I do one video shoot the following Friday. You remember the video shoot I do? The video shoot I do with Shelly Bell lift me up. Have me gonna roll up and down pan blood clot, make a floor. Me not get paid yet. Me left, me begging. My begging is so important to me. Someone not even would know. How when me not get on, me like come interact with my people. Them. I better me go lie down and add two girl or boy in the box. I will sit down and trot. Cause every day a rainy day. But me appreciate the internet so much. Cause the internet has helped me so much. Words can't explain. Me not have to explain. I when me not want spot right now when it feel like it seems like there is no hope, me alright. The internet has helped me so much. Me not have to come explain to nobody who know and who don't know, just not gonna fucking know. You take me off of my work. If I'm gonna do a video today, you can't pay me Lisa hype. Yeah, the link one I wanna check. I'm a company internet really coming out. Them have to live and have a look, you know. You pay me for Soul Cry. Right? You said to Mr. Rosalee, you do a video shoot for me on Friday. Mr. Lisa, me here not do. For sure, I'm not interested. When you take a say you go buy a week, make sure I'm not have no drive. For sure, I'm not interested. Because I love do them the work, they come and do them the work, then I love pay you. When I go to them, eat them video and get them a hype, them I love pay you. But that's for them the work the long time. Them the work the short of my jurisdiction. Them the work the short of my jurisdiction. I stop do them the work the long time. Me not do them the work there. Me not love the promotion work either. Because when I tell some of them want money, them want come get right, and me don't want nobody and nobody won't meet. Remember, you know, people, you pay me for Soul Cry. Now, I use my clothes. My clothes I wipe up, make a floor, you know. Video shoot done. As a Hindu drop my home. This video shoot done. Gaza Hindu drop my home. When Gaza Hindu I say, alright then, like our video shoot done, I look like you're busy. I'll call her tomorrow. When I call her the next day, I say, Rosalee, give me some time. From in January, I don't remember January that much. From in January. So Rosalee, the money I have me spent up, give me some time. Me give you some time. You fly out, go to Florida. You're there at Florida, keep up your madness. That not have nothing to do with me. When you come back from Florida, you tell me say you come from Florida Monday. Right? You call me Monday man and say Rosalee, I'm gonna give you $100,000 for the video shoot. I'm gonna make you get it. You ask me what I do, say I search for some clothes, think about my business. You tell me say you go buy me all clothes, you go buy me bed, I say Right. Alright. You tell me say you gonna do one video shoot. I say okay then. You soon come check me. You there see you Wednesday in the night to call me. So you there see you up at Dapper Studio. I say to you say, okay then I walk come over train line. You say when you're done, you're gonna make me get my money. She said when she done, she gonna make me get my blood clot money.